Hello everyone, it is Bad Clip Studio member, wintape. Today I want to teach you how to make a gun in Madness combat style. You can see the result on your screen right now. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, it motivates a lot. So, here is the result. First of all, I want to warn you about some things. 1. Your work will not be good. You can't make something really cool without any skills. 2. You can use any software you want, but it is mostly recommended to use Adobe Flash or Adobe Animate to make a gun. I will use Adobe Animate CC 2020, but it's not a big problem if you will use other version. 3. Maybe you will not understand something, it is fine, you can always talk to us in social media or in comments section. Okay, now we can get started. First of all, we need a gun reference. As usual, people take references where the gun looks to the right. You can see some really good references to use on your screen right now. Just copy the reference picture and paste it into our software by pressing Ctrl+V. Now you should resize your reference to make it fit with your hand, as you can see in the video. You can download a whole hands package from the description. Choose line tool in the tools bar. Now go to properties like in the video and set same settings as me. Now you can start tracing your gun. Do same moves as I do. By the way, make everything in different layers to make the gun more editable, it is a must. Now you should go to properties and change line size sometimes to 0,25. Now just trace details like in the video. As you can see, we got a pretty nice gun here. Now we should color our gun and shade it. To color a gun, you just need to fill it with different colors. You can use other people's gun color as a reference. Now we have a ready gun, but we should make it more beautiful using shading. To make shading, you should color the bottom left corner in a darker color and the top right corner in a lighter color as in the video. Now you should make every part of a gun. I mean base, head, and mag symbol. Press F8 to make your selection a symbol. Okay guys, as you can see we made a pretty good gun together. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to motivate us making new videos. Peace.